Hi, my name is Daniel, and today I'm going to present you the fossil conservation. So, what is happening with the fossils? So, as you know, the fossils are the remaining of the animals that lived millions of years ago. And right now, the only things that we have about these animals are these fossils. But many people don't know about them. Many people live around them and they don't know actually what is a fossil. So many times they're damaged, these fossils. Or even the people that know it, they stole these fossils. So why is happening this? So as I already told you, the fossils, so many people they don't know what they are. They don't know how they look like. So when they see these fossils, they think that are normal bones or even rocks. So many times they can take these fossils and use them in a bad purpose, maybe to crack these fossils to something, thinking that they are a rock or for any other purpose, and they finally damage these fossils. And the people that actually know what it is a fossil, they many times take these fossils and try to sell them to think because they are thinking that they can win a lot of money with these fossils. That actually is not quite normal that this happens, that the fossils can be like for a lot of money. So let's take a look at this picture to show you how it looks a fossil. And actually, this fossil is from Colombia. It's from La Tatacoa. In this desert, we can find this type of fossils. This one is for a crocodile, and you're going to be able to see that actually we have fossils right here, but many people don't actually know it. So I already talked about the fossils and how they look like and many things like that. But actually, what is important to conserve these rocks? So right here I have three of the importance of these things. First of all, we're going to talk about the science information. So with these fossils, what we do usually in science is that we take them and we analyze them to see how the world was millions of years ago, how the animals look like, and how they live. With this information, we try to understand more how the world was, and this can help us to know how to manage some things actually in the actual world and many other information that could be very important for the people. The second thing that can help the fossils are the tourism attraction. And it is the fossils are very important to many people. They know about the fossils and they are attracted to them. So when they know that in a place we can find fossils, they are going to try to go to these places. So these attract tourism to the places where the fossils are. So many of these places have museums or things related to that in order that the people can go there, and these are going to benefit not only the fossils but also the people that live there because they are going to attract tourism, and this finally meaning money. And finally we have the cultural treasure, because for example the tourism, many people know that the fossils are actually very important and they begin to like them and to feel that because these fossils are in their area, they are part of their cultural treasure, and this is very important because many people don't like that the others try to damage their fossil because they see that this is from their land actually, and they don't want that they damage them. So this cultural treasure is very important in order that we can conserve these fossils. So in order that we can stop these bad ways to trade the fossils, right here I have two options, two ideas that are going to be perfect to combine them in order that we have a very strong way to protect these fossils. The first one is to introduce more information about the fossils in the schools. And in order for the people that don't know that are already adults, make some presentations. Because if we introduce this information, we're going to teach them what is a fossil, why they are important, and how we can protect them. In the school, the idea is that the kids know this from an early age in order that when they grow, they're going to be able to protect these fossils. And for the adults, in order that the people that don't have this information earlier, they can know about these fossils and they can do the same. And the idea of the people that already know what is a fossil, they try to win money with them, We have I propose to make some laws in order that we can stop this traffic of fossils, in order that we can protect them, and the people that try to sell them for money, they are not going to be able to use it because they're going to go to jail. So finally, we can expect that with applying these suggestions about the fossils, we're going to be able to protect them in order that people know what is a fossil and how to protect them. They're going to be able to do it by themselves. So this is going to be good not only for them, also to the future ages, because many people that are going to come to the future are going to be able to know more about the fossils and are going to be able to see them and see all the remindings that we have from these animals that live very far ago. Thank you.